Hey YouTube, what's going on? Sorry for this funny camera angle, but there's something behind you that I want you to show. Picked it up today for, I think, a relatively good price. I was thinking there's very few sounds in this world that are very distinctive, like nails on a chalkboard. But I think every comic collector knows this sound. At least somebody my age or older will definitely know what this sound is. I'm so happy to finally find one. So, let me turn around the camera and I'll show you exactly what it is. I'm sure you guessed it what it is by the sound. I picked this baby up today. It's in a lot better shape than I really thought it was going to be by the pictures. I just put some things in there just to see how spacing was going to work. I'm definitely going to load this up with some books that I've actually bought off spinner racks before. The first 3 books I had to pick off this were the 3 books that my first 3 books I ever picked off a spinner rack. First 3 books I ever bought in my life. Conan 164. Captain America 280, 298, and Captain America 299. Those are the very first 3 books I've ever bought off a spinner rack. So yep, so happy to have this. Probably needs a little bit of wipe down. I'm not going to do too much cleaning on it. I mean, obviously I like the squeak. Got a nice little spot for it. So, yep, I think I'm just going to sit up here and spin this for a while. Got my New Universe books on there, so. But yeah. That's all. I'll make a quick little video. Once I get it in a permanent spot and it's all filled up, I'll do another recap. So that's all for now. Thanks. Bye.